Have you installed the tracking application in your mobile but unable to understand how to use it? Hello friends. Today we will talk about the digital tracking application and how to use it so that you can benefit from all the features of this application. Let's start then. Firstly, you must open the digital tracking app. You can see on screen that there is a login option. You have to fill in your username ID and password here and then click on login. If you are an application visitor and want to test, then click on the demo button here. I am clicking on the demo button here. Upon login, you will see a screen like this. Here, if any of your vehicles are going to expire, then its details will be shown to you so that you know which vehicle you have to pay for. Let's proceed by clicking on the skip button. Now you see a graph on the screen which shows how many kilometers your vehicle ran in the last 7 days. By clicking on the line which is made in the graph, you can also see in the pop-up such as today, 25th December, 24th December or 23rd December, etc. Now if you want to check the performance of the running kilometer of any vehicle, then you will select the vehicle from the top left corner with the selected vehicle. Here you know from all running, stop, how many vehicles are running in your account. When you scroll the screen a little, you will see another graph which shows you the comparison of the kilometers of vehicle and how many kilometers it has run, and comparatively the other vehicles have run this much. You can also see according to the week or the whole month. If you have too many vehicles, then you can also do a vehicle search with the search icon above. Here the icon of the vehicle is in two different colors, red and green, so that you know that the color whichever is green is running and the color which is red is standing. Next to the search, you can see the list of notification like information, and right next to it is the icon of the profile. Now suppose you have to know where your vehicles are. For example, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Guwahati, Chennai, Pune, Lucknow, Bhopal, Surat or Chandigarh. You have to click on the map icon below. Now you see vehicles on the map. You can also see it in the satellite mode. Now we talk about the list option. You see 4 buttons above in which you get to know how many vehicles are in which position. The icon given below tells you the ignition of your vehicle, whether the engine is on or off. With red and green color, you can understand in the form of symbols. Next to it, there is a call option by which you can call the driver. Beside it is a motion icon that displays the movement of the vehicle. If you want to send the current location of the vehicle to someone through WhatsApp, all you have to do is click on that icon and you can send the vehicle location to anyone in 3 seconds. You can see driven today as mentioned earlier. This means that this day the train has gone to this many kilometers. Now I want to see how this car has run so many kilometers, so I have to click on this play icon. You can see the first point and the last point on the map. Now you have to play it from here. If the car or the vehicle has stopped in the middle, then we can also see the stoppage point here. You can also do this by clicking on this dot back and forth. You can change the speed of this vehicle even while watching it. And if you want to see it in satellite mode, then you get this feature in the application too. If you want to see the vehicle on the map, then you click on this green icon. Now you see the car or the vehicle on the map. If you want to refresh the list, then you swipe up and your list gets refreshed. Now you have to click on the running button above where you can see the list of running vehicles. You see 3 small dots in the right hand side. Click on these. As soon as you click, you are seeing many options. We will first click on live tracking. Here you can see vehicle running on the map. In the right hand side, you see 4 more icons. The first icon tells you by the current address of the vehicle in audio mode. The lock icon that you see here on the second number is a very advanced feature that allows you to shut down the engine of your vehicle and it will not start again. If ever your car is stolen, you can use this to stop the car. Here you have to enter a security password. The third option that you see is enable parking mode. Like if you have parked your car somewhere, then you can use this function. Many times it happens that you do not remember where your vehicle is, or you have to see how far your vehicle is from you. Then you can also navigate from your location to the location of your vehicle. Now click on the finger icon below which shows you the live details of the car. With this you can also use features like replay and share location of the vehicle. Now click on the finger icon below, which shows you the live details of the car. With this, you can also use features like replay and share location of the vehicle. Below the live tracking option, you can see shown path. If you click on it, then the entire line from where your vehicle left today will be visible. So you will be able to know what path your vehicle took today. Beneath it is Today Replay that tells you all the locations your vehicle covered in today's date. Under this, you will be able to see more features such as navigating, sharing the location, locking the car, and disable parking. Now let's talk about reports. We have added more than 250 types of reports in our software, but right now you will be seeing some reports in the demo account. Like if I want to check the detailed report here, then I will click on it. After that, select the vehicle number and time from the select icon in the right hand side and submit it. Then you can see that report. Now let's talk about other options. Let's click on History View. Now you have to click on the select icon in the right hand side so that you can see the history of any old date. GPS Gateway is the first company in the world to provide lifetime data backup to its customers. Since GPS is installed in your car or vehicle, you can see the history of any day till then. If you want to watch the replay of a vehicle, you can watch it from here. Stop or resume vehicle. Now here you can stop the car if ever your car is stolen. Now let's talk about settings. You can change your password by going to Change Password option. You can edit your profile details by going to Edit Profile. If you have to update your vehicle number, then the device feature is very important for you. From here you can change the vehicle number by clicking the Edit button. You can also update the security password below. Now let's talk about the map settings. You get many advanced features which is very important for you to understand. The first is Label Map. When you click on Label Map, you start seeing the vehicle number along with the vehicles you are seeing on the map. See this. We checked the label here and now we look at the map. You see the vehicle number along with the vehicle. The second is Wave Effect. When you see a vehicle on the map now and you do not want to see the effect of satellite signal, then you can uncheck it from here. The third is Track Line. Let me show its use to you in live example. When you see live tracking of a vehicle and you want a line or track to come behind the vehicle, you use this option for the same. Number 4 is Map Style. This is a very important feature for you. You can change the appearance of the map completely. Here you see many types of map visibility. Let me select the Uber Map Style here. Now you can see that the map you see now is completely different from the default map. You can use many such map styles according to your convenience. Now let's talk about the dashboard settings here. Here you see 4 options: running kilometer chart, vehicle status, vehicle driven and show time. The first 3 elements is what we show you on the main dashboard. If you do not want to see the running kilometer chart on your dashboard, you just have to uncheck it from here and you will get the dashboard customized according to you. Now let's talk about show time. If you want to show the last update time of the car along with the rest of the details in list, then you can check this button from here. Now you see that the column of time is visible separately in the list. The next option is theme settings. This is a great feature that you will definitely like. With this, you can completely change the appearance of your application. It has some pre-made themes like I selected grey here. Now you see my entire application has changed to grey theme. Now if you want to customize the theme as per your choice, then you have to click on Customize and you can see any color as per your choice. You can use this header bar, footer, text, icon, any color you want. Privacy policy. You can see the documentation of the privacy policy here. Feedback. If you want to send any feedback related to the application to the company, you can do it from here. Share track link. We use it in different circumstances, like if you want a customer or family member to be able to track the live location of your vehicle, but you do not want to give them the username or password, then you can create a link here. Let's understand it better. You clicked on the create link, select the vehicle. Now mention for how many hours you have to share the location of the vehicle. You have to click on the share button and send it to WhatsApp as soon as the link is created. When you log in, you see the external tracking button, and when your family member enters this code, it looks like this. This way, they can see the live location of your vehicle. Notification settings. With this, you can turn off your vehicle notifications. Ignition. Whenever your car's engine is on, you get a notification. Power cut. If ever the device is disconnected from the battery, then you get a notification. Overspeed. Whenever your car goes overspeed, a notification is issued which tells you that your vehicle is overspeed. From here, you can also select the limit of overspeed. Upload document. We use this to upload a related document from the vehicle, which also generates related alerts for your document expiry. In this application, we are going to bring many new features in future, which will be very useful for you. I hope this video helped you a lot in understanding about the application. If you want to know more about the information we shared with you, write in the comment section. If you like our video and want us to bring for you more such videos, then like, share and subscribe to our channel GPS Gateway.